Let you know that I love you and I miss you.
So here we have our CRF300L fully equipped with Race Tech suspension. We replaced the rear shock with a full aftermarket Race Tech unit, high-speed, low-speed compression, rebound, preload of course. Now the front, the black on here, this was done by We Coat It. There's nothing gold on the bike. Now I've had a gold on red Honda. It looks really good. But we went the other way and decided, hey, let's black it out. I kind of want to do the whole frame like that now. Gold valves, and we've also added a spring to that fork, and then we've refilled both of them with the correct amount of fluid. Seal savers. I've got videos on all this stuff. We have videos on every mod done to this bike, including this fender piece here, this. I like anything done to it. Temperature gauge here, Baja Designs light. If you're just coming to this video and you haven't seen my videos before, we try to document the stuff as best we can, how we do it, and give you a nice professional video. I'm a certified mechanic.
I went to school!
What we need to do in this video is we are gonna go test this suspension out. That's why we have the dirt wheels back on, because if you want to give it I think a more proper test, you need to go do some dirt stuff. Well, obviously we'll get the Supermoto wheels back on it. Yes, we have Supermoto wheels for this thing too. Again, if you're not a normal viewer.
Hey, Jake the editing snake here. Just real quick, I wanted to say I did screw up and formatted the SD card on the helmet. That's why all the footage you're gonna see is this 360 view. On the one hand, you're gonna get a really good look at what the suspension looks like working. But yeah, this was a total dingus move on my part. Apologize. Please don't hate me too much for it.
I'm already loving this. I mean, you know, it's been a minute since I was on the 21/18 tires. Plus, the suspension's not squatting out, and I've got my tall seat on here. I am up there, you know, this is nice. I feel like I'm on a proper motorcycle though, like a proper dirt bike. I'm just gonna cruise, sort of chill through here. There is some festive dogs in this area. It does become the biggest thing I'm scared about these points, like back road festive dog. And if any of you have been following me for years know what happened to me in Thailand. What's up, Rooster? Oh, look at you guys, look at you guys. I'm here worried about dogs. I got chickens running out on me. The joys of a plated dirt bike ride right to these little trails. Look at these old tires out here. Enduro stuff, bro. Oh, oh, it's easy. I can do that. Just proper now, boys. Woo! If I can hit the beach. You get exhaust on this thing. If you guys are wondering where the power mods are, by the way, why haven't we done the exhaust and all these other things? Now, I do got some cool things planned. Patreon's node. Shh, don't tell anybody. We're waiting for the exhaust is the big hang up right now. There's a couple ones out there and we're trying to get them, but they're just, you know, like on insane back order and supplies and materials. And believe me, we've had that on order for a hilarious amount of time at this point. All I can do is kind of wait. Hope that order gets fulfilled at some point. I'm talking like since August. Oh, here's another one. There's a couple of these little creek crossing things here. I mean, it's been colder out. It's been raining. We had snow in Texas. I'm half concerned now at this point that the quad guys might come up at any moment. So I'm trying to chill out on these turns. I'm like kind of up the trail of them a good bit now. Whew. Should have bought some land out here. Jake, why don't you just buy some land? Why aren't you just rich? Aren't you a YouTuber? Well, let me tell you about my Patreon. Just $1 a month, you can see this video early. It'll be longer and uncensored, and it's f***ing full of glory. Full of glory! We got an exclusive Discord. You can say shit in there. You can talk to me because we got talkie chats, and it's a hell of a time. And you be supporting this channel. My oh my! They christened it with a thing here. Is this a stolen vehicle? Burnt to a crisp. It doesn't look like an old vehicle. It looks like a modern vehicle. Oh yeah, because look, it's got plastic valve covers that are all melted. It's got overhead cams. I mean, that's just asking for a picture on the gram there. That's crazy. Ow! I got a boo-boo. Yeah, this looks like a little trail back here. No, it's literally just the creek again. I mean, I just don't see a passable spot on this thing. Gotta go all the way back. Well, while I just reconverse through these woods, what can I tell you is going on? The Get On ADV Fest from Revzilla and Rawhide. I will be there. Mojave Desert. I have not been out there. I haven't been to California in years. And so I'm gonna be out there at that. The game plan is to road trip this thing all the way out there. It's gonna take a couple days. It's gonna be a push, you know. We bought this thing to test it, didn't we? There's that creek again. We could try walking it and see what we think. It'd be more sand and mud, and we might be okay. Let's just see. Let's just see. Okay, that's a see, no. See. Yeah, I got a problem. Can't do that. Just can't. Hello. What is it, doggy? What is it? What do you want? You all right? There she is, looking properly muddy. Gonna have to bust the power washer out when we get home. We coated forks up there, looking very coated. I'm loving it. Here's what it is. It just works now. It's like a normal dirt bike. You can go rip up and down the mud. You can have all the fun. You can do all the things. That's been the thing since I've got this bike. Like, it's always, like I said, it's been cool. We've done cool mods, but it's always been, yeah, but you say suspension. So not anymore. Can't wait to now put the actual proper big knobbies on it, go out to the off-road park, Red River. We're gonna get out there. This actually gave me a lot of confidence today. If it's this good with street tires on it, when we've got the dirt set up and I'm gonna have a big rear sprocket on it, dirt chain, it's gonna be fun. Definitely gotta get them power mods on there, but it's not limiting me right now. Right now I can just spin the tire up all along most of these surfaces, so no big deal. I'm tired. I'm gonna go get some, go home and eat a sandwich, power wash this thing off. Thanks for watching the video. Yeah, stay tuned. We're going to set this thing up for the park, the off-road park. And be sure to like, subscribe, and do all the things that every YouTuber says you should do. All right, thanks for watching.